Ever seen one of these? Ever seen anybody use a capo? Well, these are handy little tools, and I just want to talk about what they do, why they do it, and how you can use it. So a capo is just a simple tool. Basically all it does is it moves this, right? This is the nut. This is what's making the note. It moves it up to wherever you want to put it. So an example is, say that you've got a song, maybe at church, and the chords are like A, E, F sharp minor, and D. And say that you wanted to play that, but you're like, man, I don't really like playing A that much. I definitely don't like playing F sharp minor. Is there a way I could make it easier on myself to play those exact chords, those same notes, but use different chords to do it? So instead of this, you can use a capo to raise everything up and use chords that you like a little bit better. So you can do this. In other words, you could say, well, I really like G, I love playing D, I love playing E minor because it's so easy, and I love playing C. Well, a capo can help you use those chords without changing the pitch. You're still playing the right chords, right? Everything sounds exactly the way it's supposed to, but it's a lot easier to play. So that's the number one benefit of a capo, especially for guitar players who are playing rhythm guitar. It makes it easier for us to play certain chords that we might not otherwise want to play. So it raises the pitch, makes playing a little bit easier. So I dig into this in the lessons. Check them out.